Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to take a look at CryptoSkyland, which is an interlinkable Web3 platform that can be used for a variety of different Web3 features and lots of other exciting opportunities. Obviously nothing I say on this channel is financial advice, so always go away and do your own research before investing any of your own money. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. Okay guys, so jumping over to the CryptoSkyland website, which has always a link down below in the description, so make sure you go check it out after this video. CryptoSkyland, a linkable metaverse connecting games, digital contents, and communities together with an infinite number of ways in which it can be connected and various other developments. You can see some of the features being shown here in this video walkthrough, where there's characters walking through different games, different scenarios, different features such as NFT, galleries, and much more. Coming down below, you can see that it can link up different meta worlds. For example, World at War, you've got Neptune-based Star, Tour, Expo, and other things like Neon Streets. All pretty cool, and they're going to continue to link in others. You've also got linkable MetaWorld protocol. MetaWorlds are connected to Skytopia, the base MetaWorld of CryptoSkyland, through standard protocols. And if you want, guys, you can come down here and you can click to sign up for update notifications on what is happening with the project. But let's find out more. But jumping over to the white paper, you can find out loads more about this project and why it's such an exciting project, because obviously it can link together all of these Web3 digital entertainment ecosystems. But as well as that, what I like is that its interoperable metaverse can be expanded infinitely. As the Web3 space develops, there's going to be more and more use cases, and we need platforms that are going to be able to continue to develop as the Web3 space develops, because otherwise they're going to get quickly left behind. Users can travel through different virtual spaces, experience different gameplay, participate in new trendy virtual activities, meet new friends for an entirely new experience that so far hasn't really existed in the world. So CryptoSkyland is committed to building infrastructure on which to build a diverse, open and extensible metaverse with the linked metaverse infrastructure and standardized linkable metaverse protocol. Content created by existing powerful content creation tools can quickly, easily plug together Skyland metaverses. Okay guys, what else can we find out down here? Coming down to Skyland NFT, you can see one of the NFTs here, and this is a part of land within the metaverse, which is an island floating in the sky. The Skyland NFT is core user credentials of CryptoSkyland and is the land credentials which can be used to realize activities such as house building, raising virtual pets, meeting new friends, creating a whole different world within your own little ecosystem within the Web3 environment. There's always going to be a unique design of each of the different NFTs. There'll be royalty sharing and interest available for each of the people holding these NFTs, which is obviously very crucial to have good utility when it comes to NFTs, opportunities to earn, etc., as well as various other things like staking perks. Additional benefits include NFT airdrops and various other different things. And we're going to look at how one can take part in some of the competitions in just a little bit. So far there'll be a total supply of 5,000 NFTs, and you can see some of the different NFT options available within this sort of picture here, where we've got all kind of different all kind of different wacky and wonderful floating island lands. You can see a little bit more about Skytopia here, where we've got a bit more information. Skytopia is a world made up of clouds and lands, which we've just looked at there, and obviously you can own your individual piece of land by buying one of the NFTs, and that comes under different types of Skyland, which you can see here. It said that the energetic core of Skyland soil is under its power, and that Skyland floats in the air, and this is like a kind of a feature of the whole project. You've also got MetaWorld travel, where you can travel between multiple different worlds to experience all sorts of different weird and wonderful things. Coming across to the mysterious village, then you can see even more things that are available here. You can see there's various different buildings like crystal mines, collection huts, exploration huts, workshops, magic academies, magic huts, loads of cool, interesting kind of gameplay, exciting features that maybe you've never really seen in existing games today, and as well real world ways in which you can start earning crypto and various other rewards through participating in this whole project. You can see, looking at the building, this is an example of the crystal mine. You've got all the different huts and workshops, which will obviously go into the sort of floating islands or the Skylands. Where you've got magicians like this, we've all got different levels, and they're also going to give you different gameplay experiences as well as different rewards, etc. by holding on to them. Lots of cool stuff, guys, very unique and nothing like this I've seen before. So one of the cool things about Web3 is its ability to unite people around the world with similar interests or perhaps different interests. And if we come over to the community part, we can see MetaWorld hubs, which is where the issuing of the content creation of MetaWorlds takes place. We're here to show everyone the wonderful content creation available through various MetaWorlds, including games, information stories, animations, other multimedia forms, to bring a much richer digital entertainment experience than already exists at the moment. If we jump into the blockchain, you can see the economy design. The major problem with play-to-earn projects is that their token prices are based on the FOMO sentiment of users, and once the FOMO sentiment fades, which usually happens with new projects, particularly in an NFT space, it tends to go into a bit of a spiral as people sell off and take the rewards. However, with Skylands or CryptoSkyland, it's slightly different in that there is a value anchor. So it's basically holding the value. And the way it's going to hold the value is a revolutionary experience where the experience traditional internet applications such as games, social networks, e-commerce and other products will be upgraded. These new experiences will create new application scenarios and business opportunities, which is another cool reason to keep people interested and playing the game. There's ways in which you can earn different revenue, which is mainly through service fees and transaction fees, in which the platform will make funds, and then the funds will be then spread out between the creators, individuals who are interacting the most with the platform, buying and selling NFTs, playing the games, etc. If we look into tokenomics, you can see that there's going to be a 1 billion total supply of tokens, and this is how they're spread out. You've got airdrops, liquidity, and the team will take 23%, which is a little bit high sometimes to look for anything more than around 15%, but as a team is well incentivized, it can be better for the overall performance of a project because people are going to be more interested in working towards its success. In terms of the news about this particular platform, CryptoSkyland has also had a strategic partnership put in place with Nereus, which is a very cool thing and shows some potential success. Nereus is a public chain dedicated to Metaverse development, has already seen lots of advancement and support of other successful Metaverse projects. So it's great that they're taking an interest in this particular project as well, and it's going to help develop and support the platform as it continues to grow. Here's another cool example of something that goes on within the space. Bruce's Big Bounty C phrase treasure hunt is alive. Okay, so you can win up to 1,000 USDT as well as a rare Magic Forest NFT. There's 12 words that basically need to be found to put together into a wallet where you'll get your $1,000 plus the NFT. We'll be posting 12 illustrations with a word hidden inside each illustration. Stuff like this is really cool, gets people engaged, and is something that you have a great chance of winning, guys. So make sure you head over to the link down below. As well as that, I'll leave a link for the Twitter and Medium as well, so you can go and check out all the information you need on this particular project. There's also going to be various other giveaways coming up in the future, so make sure you get involved and take part in as many of these as possible for your best chance to win. What's really cool is through the Medium, guys, you get loads and loads of these updates, loads of detail. There's also going to be another competition over on Discord, which you can take part in, which is all based around NFTs. There's also going to be another giveaway, which is this Gleam giveaway, where they're giving away 500 USDT, 20 free minted NFTs, and 30 whitelist spots. Again, you have to go through this link here in order to access that. And you can see there's going to be 50 users from the top 200 entries chosen at random. 500 USDT will be split between 50 different winners. Loads of other kind of raffle prizes and stuff going on all the time. And guys, jumping across to the Twitter, you can see that they're already at 60,000 followers, which is pretty well established in terms of an NFT project or in terms of a Metaverse project. So you can tell that it's already got a good amount of momentum going and could well be successful, but you're still quite early if you want to get involved in something like this and really see the benefits of being involved in a big Metaverse project in the early stages. All you got to do to win some of these rewards, you've just got to hit the like, retweet, share their content, and they're going to help you out by entering you for various different competitions, and you can get involved and win as many times as you like. So in summary, guys, CryptoSkyland is an amazing new NFT project that is binding together a number of different metaverses with infinite possibilities in the NFT space. There's loads of exciting giveaways and things, so make sure you head to those links if you want to get involved with opportunities to win USDT or NFT prizes. Guys, if you've enjoyed today's video, then please smash the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. It helps us out more than you know. And if you're new to the channel and you want to learn more about Web3, NFTs, and crypto, then make sure you subscribe. Thanks very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon with another video. Bye-bye.